So welcome to this unboxing, and this is a unboxing only video for a eufyCam 2, and this is a eufyCam 2C. This one, it's got a small LED light. There's 6 months of battery life. This one here has 1 year of battery life, but it hasn't got an LED light on it. But it's apparently got a better low light lens on it. This is smaller and lighter. Now how this works is these cameras, they stream the video over Wi-Fi to this box here. Now you can plug this in anywhere, and apparently it boosts the Wi-Fi. It's a Wi-Fi repeater. So what I'm going to do is put this probably in the kitchen, which is one room away from the router, and then hopefully that should boost the signal so that these cameras work at the back of the house, covering kind of the back gate sort of thing. We did actually, about 2-3 weeks ago, we had someone just walking in our garden for about, he's probably there for about 2 minutes. I looked out the window, I was like, oh, you know, it's a random intruder. So yeah, we're getting cameras now. So I've got 2 of these, and just a heads up that I bought these on Prime Day, and it was cheaper. Worked out cheaper to buy this pack here with the home hub thing here, and these 2 separately. Worked out more expensive if you bought these 2 with the hub and then these 2 separately. So I would get this combo with, obviously just add another one of those, and I think the total price was about $340. The other way round it was about $360. So the advantage with this as well is that there is no subscription fee. Using your phone, you can log in using the eufy app, and then you can just download clips from this box here to your mobile phone, and likewise this has a USB socket on the back, so I think you can take a backup from the actual recording. So let's get this unboxed. Now, I have already opened one of the 2 eufy 2 cams, so I've read the manual. So you got a little sheath here that pops off. Cool looking box ish. You get your printed manuals here, quick start guide. It comes with stickers that say this is covered. This is secure, covered by eufy security, but I think you don't really need to see that. So this is tiny. Yeah, that's very small. So you got your sync button there. I think that's a sync button. There's just a indication light. On the back you've got power, USB-A, Ethernet, and you've got your button there. You've got a reset button there as well. So that's, if you're into that, probably a heat thing, stop it overheating. It might have a fan there. Rubber feet on there. That's pretty much it. So yeah, this apparently can just go anywhere. Has got an Ethernet cable, so it might be better plugging it into router, but supposedly this boosts the Wi-Fi signal, like I said. And here are the cameras here, which are really lightweight. Lighter than those ones. It's probably about a third lighter. So this is the motion sensor here, LED light. Audio is one of these, maybe that one and that one. LED light, so when you charge it up, I'm actually charging up the this one here, which is already showing as charged up. So what you do is you charge them up for 12 hours before using them. So this is a size comparison between the 2. So they're pretty much, you got a connection there. You got that's your connection there. So there we go. I think they all use micro USB. How do you sync buttons there? Oh, there you go. And then you've got your micro USB there. So that's those two cameras there, and that's pretty much it, I think. That's all you get in the box. So I'll just show you this one already. So unbox this one. So when you do get it, you need to charge each camera up for 12 hours using micro USB. Comes with a sheath. So here we go. This is what you get. You get your little sticker there if you need to. We've got a thin window, so I'll probably stick it on one of those. So I'm going to show you what you get with the quick start guide here. Quick start guide. You get some printed manuals there. You get this, which you can use for positioning your camera. I don't know if you can see that. So you can, I guess, draw out where you're going with the, where you're putting the thing. So you've already seen this. This is the camera here. I'll just show you where it's charged up. Little flap here. Micro USB there. Put that back in. So you get the light there. There we go. So when that's a steady blue, it's charging. When it goes off, it's fully charged. Now we have our mounting bits here. If it comes out. So this is the mounting stuff. Now that comes with they class this one, the ball, as an indoor attachment. Two of these each, I think. They just get one. Obviously, you get one in each box. So that's the indoor one. This is the outdoor mounting. So this is it's a magnet. Oh, that's a very strong magnet. So yeah, that's not going anywhere. Now, you do need some force to get that off. That is that's a good workout. So I'm not too sure if you would want to use this one. I mean, if someone breaks into your house, surely all they have to do is reach up and grab the camera. So there we go. So this is the outdoor one, sorry. So that screws into the hole there, obviously, and it moves about as well, I think. Yeah. So if you see there, look, it's you can adjust the height as well. So with these, you want it to be about 2 to 3 meters up. It has I think the range is 10 meters, I think. The how much it picks up. So that's the motion sensor here bit. That's the status light when you're charging it up. You've got microphone and something else, and obviously you got the lens there, which uses a Sony lens as well, so it's a bit posher. So there we go. Hopefully it all works. I'm not just wasting my money. I did get this instead of Ring. It's supposedly better than Ring. Obviously no subscriptions. One thing I did notice with other YouTube videos is that the audio's better on this as well. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So yeah, thanks for watching.